How to connect TikTok to Shopify. My name is Elias, and in this video I'm going to show you everything needed to successfully set up your TikTok account and to connect that with Shopify. Now, to get started, I will leave you the link for TikTok down below. I think it is even going to give you some special kind of offer. And once you are on the TikTok for Business ad right here, click on Get Started. And this will basically get ourselves a TikTok for Business account, which we can then use for Shopify. So I'm just going to, I don't know, Shopify 123 ad, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to sign up. And as you can see right here, you can actually also directly sign up with TikTok. So you can actually connect this TikTok ads account with your own TikTok account, and you can then use Shopify to track everything accordingly, to track where your sales come from, to track all of the sales that actually come off TikTok and so on. So either way, just click on sign up and then go through the process of signing up. This is super self-explanatory. So just confirm your email, and then you will have to put in your basic information. In my case, I'm just going to say that I'm actually a clothing company, and therefore I'm going to select the industry e-commerce, and then let's see where it is. I know clothing and shoes right here. Country, region, currency. You will basically have to just put in whatever you want right here and whatever is going to be true for yourself. So just click on accept right here, then continue. Now I'm just quickly going through this process because I think it is pretty self-explanatory either way. Click on accept and click on go to ads manager. Now we aren't going to continue right here on the ads manager. You can watch my separate video on that. However, let me actually now show you how to connect your TikTok account onto Shopify. So to get started, we are going to go to the Shopify dashboard and then look for TikTok right here on top. Click on TikTok in the Shopify App Store and then install the TikTok app. Now, this is completely free to install, and this will basically just allow us to connect our Shopify account onto TikTok. So just click on Add Sales Channel right here on the right. Then this is going to automatically load up. So let's see. And by the way, I will review. Alright, perfect. Then you will have to click on Setup Now. And by the way, before we can continue, I will actually leave you my completely free Shopify beginner course down below, which is going to teach you everything for actually running a profitable store. So make sure to check that out if you want to. Either way, now you will have to connect your TikTok for Business account. So just click on Connect right here. Then create your Shopify, basically connect your TikTok for Business account, then connect this. Now this account is going to be pending under review. Basically, it is going to take, I think, around 24 hours to get everything approved. And then as for data sharing, please actually just select maximum right here, because like this, TikTok is actually going to get all of the different information that they need from Shopify, and they can then basically set up everything accordingly. And this basically also is going to install a TikTok pixel, which is going to allow you to track all of the conversions from Shopify that has been made because of TikTok. So click on confirm right here and then click on finish setup. Now, as you can see, your ad account is under review, and now your TikTok account is actually ready, and you can then continue actually creating your ad campaign. Now, if you want to do that, make sure to check that video out right here. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.